I don't care what your past looks like or what you've done in the past. You're allowed to start again. I mean it. It doesn't matter if you just failed last week. It doesn't matter if you gave up on yourself. It doesn't matter if you've been lost for years. You're allowed to reset. There is no rule that says you have to stay broken. There is no law that says you have to carry this guilt forever. You have to wipe the slate clean. Just start over. Start small. Start messy. But just start anyways because your future is still wide open.